Have you discussed your financial goals with your partner? It's Valentine's Day, the perfect time to talk about love and money, hand in hand. Let's delve into the world of financial planning as a couple. It's more than just budgets and savings. It's about dreaming together, aligning your financial aspirations, and setting priorities as a unit. After all, love isn't just about roses and chocolates. It's about building a life together. Imagine the peace of mind you would have, knowing you both are working towards a shared financial future. Meet Mark and Lisa, a couple who have reaped the rewards of financial planning. Their journey began early on in their relationship when they decided to plan their financial future together. This wasn't just a one-off conversation, no, it was a series of ongoing dialogues, adjustments, and mutual decisions that shaped their path towards financial stability. One of their earliest goals was to buy a house. By setting this goal together and planning their finances accordingly, they were able to turn this dream into a reality. But their ambitions didn't stop there. They also dreamed of traveling the world together. Again, through careful planning and budgeting, they were able to tick off destinations from their bucket list one by one. Mark and Lisa's success story is not a fairy tale, but the result of consistent effort, open communication, and effective financial planning. Their journey shows that setting financial goals as a couple can lead to significant achievements. So, how do you start the conversation about financial goals with your partner, you might be asking? A good way to begin is by setting a relaxed and judgment-free atmosphere, perhaps over a casual dinner or a quiet coffee. This isn't a corporate meeting, it's a chat between two people who have a vested interest in each other's future. Now, when you start discussing, remember to be open and honest. Transparency is the key here. Avoid hiding any debts or financial obligations. This isn't about finger-pointing. It's about understanding where you both stand and how you can help each other move forward. During the conversation, mutual respect should be a top priority. We all have different views on money, influenced by our upbringing, experiences, and personal beliefs. It's important to approach the conversation with an open mind, and remember that it's okay to agree to disagree sometimes. It's also crucial to discuss your dreams, ambitions, and lifestyle choices. Do you want to travel the world, buy a house, start a family, retire early, or maybe start a business? These discussions will help you align your financial goals with your life goals. Lastly, approach the conversation as a team. You and your partner are in this together. Celebrate your financial wins, no matter how small, and support each other during the financial downturns. Remember, it's not just about numbers, it's about your dreams, your future. Now that you've started the conversation, how do you set financial goals as a couple? You might ask? Well, it's a process that involves setting both short-term and long-term goals, creating a budget, and keeping a keen eye on your progress. Let's start with the short-term goals. These are the ones you'd like to achieve in the next 1 to 3 years. Maybe you're saving for a romantic getaway to Italy or Paris, or perhaps you'd like to pay off a credit card. Here's a tip. Be specific. Instead of saying we want to save money, say we want to save $2,000 by December for our trip to Paris. This gives you a clear target to aim for. Now let's talk about long-term goals. These are your 5, 10, or even 20-year plans. Do you dream of buying a house, starting a family, retiring early to travel the world? Whatever your dreams are, write them down. Remember, these are big goals, so they'll likely need a more substantial financial commitment. Next up is creating a budget. This is where you'll decide how much money you'll allocate towards your goals each month. Be realistic. You don't want to overstretch yourselves. It's better to start small and gradually increase your savings as you become more comfortable with your budget. Now, here comes the fun part, monitoring your progress. This is where you get to see your hard work pay off. You'll see those numbers grow, and with each step, you're getting closer to your goals. But remember, it's okay if things don't go exactly as planned. Life happens. The important thing is to stay flexible and adjust your plan as needed. And finally, celebrate your successes, no matter how small. Did you stick to your budget this month? That's a win. Did you save a little extra for your dream house? Another win. Celebrating these victories, big or small, keeps you motivated and makes the journey towards your financial goals more enjoyable. Setting financial goals as a couple is a journey. Enjoy the process and celebrate your successes along the way. Comment below if you and your partner did or did not set financial goals, and tell us if it was valuable or not. So, are you ready to discuss your financial goals with your partner? Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've covered today. We've talked about the importance of planning, starting the conversation, and setting financial goals as a couple. Each of these steps is a crucial component to building a solid financial foundation and future together. Think back to the power of planning. It's not just about crunching numbers or tracking every penny spent. No, it's about crafting a shared vision, a roadmap that guides your financial decisions, big and small. It's about understanding your current financial status, identifying your joint financial objectives, and making a game plan to achieve them. Next, we delved into starting the conversation. We know it can be challenging, but remember, it's about openness, honesty, and understanding. Talking about money shouldn't be a taboo or a source of conflict. Instead, it should be a platform for dialogue, an opportunity to understand your partner's financial perspectives, and a chance to align your financial values and aspirations. We then moved on to setting financial goals. Whether it's saving for a dream home, preparing for a comfortable retirement, or planning for a child's education, these goals provide a sense of direction and purpose. They're not just about the end result, but the journey you take together to reach them. They're about commitment, teamwork, and mutual support. In essence, discussing financial goals isn't just a one-time Valentine's Day event. It's an ongoing, dynamic process that evolves as your relationship grows and changes. It's about creating a shared financial narrative that not only strengthens your bond, but also sets you both up for financial success. Remember, the benefits of financial planning as a couple are immense. It fosters transparency, reduces stress, promotes financial independence, and builds financial resilience. It's about taking charge of your financial destiny together, one step at a time. Take the first step towards a secure financial future today. Remember, every great journey begins with a single step. So take the time to invest in your future by setting financial goals with your partner. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you found this content valuable. Until next time, happy investing.